Hello viewers, you are welcome to YangaLife channel. Yes, today we are going to give you an update concerning the recent construction at Niger Street. That's the road that leads to main market from Bridgehead. Yes, this is not the first time we are giving you update on that road, but I bet you work is seriously going on that road. Yes, it's not as if what we are saying here is in vain, because you don't know what the little contribution you can make through the comment box can bring to the society. From what is happening, it shows that what we are doing in this channel is yielding fruits. We have shown you Zix Avenue, and we have shown you Port Harcourt Road. Some of these roads now, they include walkways, even though the walkways are not just fantastic, but it's better than nothing, because it's through the walkways that the pedestrians are sure of walking on the road, of which they have the right to walk on the road. So, but this main market road, that's the one coming from Bridgehead, Niger Street, the one we have been giving you updates, I still believe that that road will have a walkway. Yes, it is going to have a walkway from what I'm saying. So, but when you see the video, you will understand, and you see the update and the current situation of that road, how work has been faring on that road. Yes, if you have not subscribed to this channel, well, your subscription is needed, and click on the notification bell so that we can be updating you anytime we drop video. You get it immediately. That is the reasons for clicking on notification. Secondly, like this video, try to encourage us, the much you can by sharing our video. Let's get more viewers, let's get more subscribers. The more we are, the merrier it becomes, and the more suggestions that we keep getting, that will shape our society in a better way. So I'm still Chinedu by name, your presenter. Let's go to the site and see what Niger Street going to main market. At the right inside main market, the street entered inside main market. So we are going there to see what it looks like. Thank you. Let's go there. Yes, viewers, we are right now at the site of the construction work that leads to main market Onitsha, that is coming from a head bridge. This is Niger Street, that's the name of this street, and by the right there is a timber market. By the right and by the left, we have the timber market. So, but we are going to move down to main market straight, right inside main market, so that we can see these roads and the environment, how far work has been gone concerning this road. So, but you can see that there is a bit different from what we saw last time. The road capes, they have been installed both left and right, the road capes, and I'm sure that they are done with the drainages. So, but as usual, this place is not motorable by the left there, moving straight. So we are going to follow inside Fege to still come out at the other side. By the right there is Port Harcourt Road. So we are not going to Port Harcourt Road today. Today is specifically for Niger Street, the road that leads direct into the main market. So that is where we are going now. And this road now, we are going to use it to stay bust out at the Niger Street so that we can continue our view of that street. But then, even upon arrival at main market, we are still going to have a reverse view so that we can cover those areas we did not cover as we are going now. So let's keep going. Thank you. So shortly now we are going to bust out at 6th Avenue, just the tail end of this 6th Avenue, so that we can move back into Niger Street, that's the road that moves to Main Market. So this is Niger Street now. You can see where we came out is just very close to the place. So this is Niger Street, and we are going to go back inside Niger Street to continue our movement. Well, like I said, I know that there are some significant change, and from the look of things, there is hope. There is hope to round up this road before the Christmas period. But however, even if it's not rounded up, the road has to become motorable because of the season that we've already, entering. The markets are becoming very busy now. So, and that is it. And we don't expect them to be moving on this kind of a road. If you do that, it means that we are neglecting our source of income, which is very important to the state government, Anambra state government. They are not supposed to joke with their area of revenue. So that's why we keep saying that such key projects need to be given to contractors that can be fast and do a very strong work. Because this area now, all these tipper that used to carry sand, they should know what to do about them, because sands will be dropping on this road, and when sands are dropping on the road, wet sands continuously, it will help the road to go back if the road is not kept clean of sand. And I don't know how that is going to happen, because this place, they are doing a lot of sand business. Dredging is constantly going on here on daily basis. So if this road is not that strong enough, and if sand is not continuously packed off the road is going to go bad in a very, very short distance time. Well, ours is to update you, and that is what we are doing. Yours is to watch and give us suggestions about the video. Thank you. Let's keep going. We are going directly into the main market. So this day, it is good that we choose this day to visit here so that we can see what is going on. If you have been here on a very busy market day, you will not have opportunity to see anything. All these places are full of people. All this road, you won't even see where to cover. Everywhere will be covered with human beings. So, but I hope that when this road is done and dusted, all those trading on the streets should be, stopped and abolished, so that people can move freely along the road. So, thank you. Let's keep going. Yes, we are having a reverse view of the road that we came in through, that leads to Main Market. You can see the road curves, both sides are fully installed, just waiting for the rail, construction to start. So let's keep going and keep watching. Thank you. So these are the area that we cut off before that time we diverted. So we are now moving along the place to see exactly what it looks like and what is going on here. So that is it. Let's keep going. So we are right there in front of GUO markets, and this is where we diverted to enter inside the other side. So you can see that this place is blocked. All the drainage systems are done and dusted. It remains the actual grading of the road and probably to install the walkways. So let's keep going. So we are having a reverse view of this place to have a critical look at the environment, what we have missed earlier, so that we will be on the same page of what is happening. So actually, down there you are going to follow 6th Avenue. So, but from here we will move back to where we come from to complete our movement from that, timber side. Yes, this is the timber area, and we are having a reverse view to complete our movement. So from what you see on ground, you can see that the drainage systems are all completed. The road curbs are all done. What is remaining now is stone base and actual tiling. Thank you. So viewers, you are welcome back from that visit of update concerning Niger Street, the major road from Onitsha Head Bridge to inside Main Market. Yes, but if you are still interested to know how that road looks like, what the road looks like 2 months ago when we visited, I will show you the clip of 2 months ago so that you can assess and know what has gone what the government has done on that road within this period. So if you are interested, you move ahead and watch. Let's go. Acceptable. I don't know if that law is still in existence, but throughout last year, December period and January, it has been in effective enforcement. So people are not allowed to drop from the bridge and follow under the bridge into the Onitsha Main Market Road. So this is the area at the head bridge where the road, continues into Niger Street. From there you head to the main market. So now we are moving down to the main market, but there is an important update here. The road is cut into two here because of the drainage construction, so you can't go straight. You are going to divert right, as if you are going to Port Harcourt Road, but you divert left again and move straight. From straight you enter the main market road again, but that is not our focus. We are going to go back to show the main portion that we are supposed to see, but I'm just trying to show you that this is where people follow now. If you are going to main market, this is the road from head bridge. And this is the road from head bridge. There is another one at Awka. So, but this one is if you are coming straight from the first Niger bridge. So we have gone back to the place we cut off before, so we can view that place and know the situation. So this is the place that we cut before. I see there is drainage channel here, kind of culvert to channel water. So that's why the road is cut off completely from this axis.
So you can see how far the job has gone. But however, we are still moving down towards the main market, where there is a ongoing construction of the drainage control channel, so that you can have the complete detailed view of that area and the rest of the video. Thank you.
So you are welcome back from that video. I hope you enjoyed it. At least you have seen all the details of that work that you are supposed to see. So we give it to you live and direct and give you the things that you are supposed to have seen. So, but if you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscription button, notification button, like this video. Don't forget to share this video. Share it so that others can watch and see what is going on. Then we are expecting you to, drop your own comment about this video so that we will know, we will follow up with your comments. However, we still promise to, keep updating you as time goes on about this video, about these key projects. Then secondly, personally, this is a personal thing. That road is a key road. It's a key road to the main market in Onitsha. So I thought that when the contract was terminated, that probably the specification of that job should have been reviewed in the sense of making that road dual carriageway. I'm not saying that the one that is being done is bad anyway, but that road supposed to and needs to be a dual carriageway so that it will help in the ease of doing business, along that axis. That is my own take home, and with that, I am going to rest my case. I'm still Chinedu by name, but until I come your way next time, keep visiting this channel and get your important updates. Thanks for watching and bye for now.